Hi everyone, this is Manu Rao back with another video. In this video, we are going to drive Nagarkoil Express. We are currently in Boisar platform number 3. Let's get into the cab and let's on the loco. Now let's on the pantograph. As we can see that panto is rising. Let's start up the loco. In our left side of our loco, we can see that twin by locomotive with the freight wagons which are waiting for the signal to clear. Passenger boarding are completed. Let's make a long horn and let's depart Boisar station. And I would like to give credit or thanks for Mr. Roshan who made this activity beautiful with more crossings and overtakes of Superfast Express. Thank Roshan and please do this type of beautiful activities. And one more important thing is that please like and subscribe my channel for more and interesting upcoming gameplay videos of MSTS and Open Rails. We can see that Sataragachi VAP 7 locomotive which is slowly departing Boisar station. Yes, we are slowly departing Boisar station. We can see that it is Western Bay route which is a beautiful route. It is freely available in trainsim.com. Yes, we can see that we just depart Boisar station and we get crossing of Lok Shakti Express with VAP 4 locomotive with mixed Utkrist and ICF Blue rake. As I mentioned in this video, we are going to see more and more crossing of Superfast Express train, and also we are going to see overtake taken by some express train. As we can see the beautiful cab view of SRC VAP 7 locomotive, and we can see that in our right side of our track we can see that a small train and coils which are placed in Boisar station. The route which I used in this video is Western Bay route. It is a beautiful route and it is a free route. It is freely available in trainsim.com. This route covers from Mumbai to Surat with beautiful locations. Let's pick up some speed because our speed limit is 120 km per hour. So let's move throttle little further. We are currently in assistant loco pilot seat. In this view we can see the beautiful crossings of freight train as well as express trains. Whenever I used to play MSTS, I used to play most of the time in cab view, because while driving the train in the cab view, it feels like we are driving the train in realistic situation or scenario. We can see the beautiful Sataragachi SRC VAP 7 with dusty look, which is leading Nagarkoil Express. See the beautiful view of Nagarkoil Express. The Utkrist coaches and the ICF Blue coaches which I use in this video are the rolling stock of Khandesh and Mewar route. The people who had owned Khandesh or Mewar route, they will get this stock. Enjoy the beautiful track sound of ICF coaches. We can see that we are crossing Umroli station with a high speed. Yes, we can see that Mumbai Central Valsad fast passenger with the VAP4 locomotive, which is crossing our train with a high speed with mixture of Utkrist as well as ICF Blue coaches. We can see in the track monitor signal is red, and also there is a direction for loop line. So let's slow down our train. Hope there will be some overtake will take place. We can hear the brake applying sound. We are very near to the red signal and we are very fast, so let's slow down our train. Let's apply both the brakes. We can see that the signal is yellow, which indicate we need to slow down our train. Let's have some rail fanning experience. So let's press number 4 button so that we can feel like rail fanning experience. Yes, we can see that. We are very near to the platform and we can see that we are very near to the red signal, but we are currently 56 km/h. So let's slow down our train by applying both the brakes. We are slowly slow downing our train. In our left side we can see that container freight train which is waiting for the signal. Yes, we stop our train. Let's see which train will overtake our train. We can hear the honking sound of some superfast express train. We are in Palghar station. We can see that WDP 4D locomotive which is leading BKN Yeshwantpur Express, which is overtaking our train with a high speed. As overtake has been done, let's make a long horn and let's depart Palghar station. We can see that we are slowly departing Palghar station after the overtake. Yes, we can see that we are slowly overtaking container freight which is standing next to our track. We are slowly overtaking container freight. We can see that. Door view is one of the best view to enjoy the beautiful journey in train. As we can see that VAC 5 Vijayawada shed locomotive which is leading container freight. We are overtaking that container train. The VAC 5 locomotive or the rolling stock of Kandesh and Mewar route. We are crossing unnamed level crossing and we can see that vehicles are waiting for our train to move further. We can see that we are moving in a high speed. We can see that we are overtaking Garib Raph Express. We can see that we are overtaking Garib Raph Express, which is leading by VAP 5 locomotive. I hope you like this video. Keep supporting my channel and thanks for watching my video.